Hello everyone, welcome to today's guide on maximizing your iPhone battery life. In this tutorial, we'll cover some essential tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your device's battery. So, let's dive in. The first step to save battery is to adjust your screen brightness. Go to Settings, then Display and Brightness. Lower the brightness or enable auto brightness to let your iPhone adjust it based on ambient light conditions. Next, let's manage Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, then General, and Background App Refresh. Disable it for apps that don't need to refresh in the background. This can significantly extend your battery life. Location services can be a battery hog. Head to Settings, then Privacy, and Location Services. You can either turn off location services for specific apps or set them to while using the app for better control. Push email can drain your battery quickly. Consider switching to Fetch or manual updates. Go to Settings, then Mail, and select Fetch New Data. Choose a less frequent fetch schedule or fetch manually. Widgets and animations can be visually appealing but also consume battery. Remove unnecessary widgets by swiping right on your home screen and tapping Edit at the bottom. Also, reduce motion effects by going to Settings, then Accessibility, and turning on Reduce Motion. App notifications can also contribute to battery drain. Review and manage them in Settings. Go to Notifications, and turn off unnecessary notifications for apps. This not only saves battery but also reduces distractions. Regularly update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Apple often includes optimizations that can improve battery life. Go to Settings, then General, and Software Update to check for updates. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can significantly extend your iPhone's battery life. Remember, small adjustments can make a big difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.